Hey up everyone, how's it going? This is a different setup actually because it's usually just my hands, but this is my favourite headset of pretty much all time. It is the Steelseries Arctis Pro Wireless. If you've caught me streaming recently, twitch.tv/ProYamYamPC. If you're not following, make sure you do. I'll put a link in the description for you. I've been wearing this headset pretty much every stream. I wish I had the black ones, to be honest. I think the black ones look a bit more stealthy, but to be honest, these ones were available on Amazon at the time and I didn't want to wait around, so I was like, may as well. Right, I got these about 6 months ago and they've been my daily driver ever since, and to be honest, no complaints at all. I moved from a HyperX Cloud Alpha, the gold editions they actually are. Actually these, I managed to find them. Pretty good headset, I do like these. These are really good for audio quality and still fit pretty well. Well, anyways, I think I might have broken them, but oh well, don't use them. But yeah, these have been my daily drivers for 6 months now and no issues to complain of at all. They are pretty much the perfect headset, but the wannabe for a price of £300. In terms of quality construction, nothing to complain about at all. The top headband is steel. The little connecting bits here are also steel, well, at least some sort of metal. Only problem is these little bits here are plastic, which to be honest isn't that bad. They fit quite nicely on the head. Sometimes I don't even know that I'm wearing them, but you do hear yourself quite a bit when you're speaking, and especially if you're walking along and that, you can hear like the sort of the bounce in your footsteps. But yeah, other than that, if you don't mind that, then perfectly fine. These things are absolutely packed with features. One of my most favourite features on these is definitely the batteries. So the way the batteries work on this is you have a little hot swappable battery there, and say if this one dies, you just pick up your other one and you just whack it in like that and then just turn the thing back on. Doesn't take too long to come back on, and it gives you a little beep. And you just slap that back on there and literally you're ready to go. You also have support for 2.4 GHz wireless, which is what I usually use, and you also have support for Bluetooth as well. One of the best features as well is with this you can simultaneously go on your phone, go on a phone call, hands-free and everything like that, connected via Bluetooth, and you can still hear your game as well because it'll be connected to your PC as well, which is very good. Like Steelseries have thought so much about this headset, and it does reflect in the price. But it's just the features. The features in this headset are amazing. It's got a retractable mic, which comes out pretty well. Usually I just have it in, I don't really use it unless if I'm making, I don't know, like a cheese toast and I still want to speak to people, where I'd switch from my Blue Yeti, which is my normal mic, and I switch to this. So yeah. Speaking about the mic, it has a mic mute on the back, which is a very tactile button, I must add. Very nice to press, and you know when you've pressed it because it makes a little beep. Not sure if the mic's picking that up. You've also got a volume wheel on the back, which actually mimics the one on the receiver station. You've got a charging hole to charge, I suppose. You've got a 3.5mm audio jack, so if you want to, say you're on the plane with someone or on the bus with someone and you want to share the actual audio stream coming out of these, someone can put their regular 3.5mm headphones in and they will hear what you hear as well. Okay, this is the actual microphone on the headset. It's not going to win any awards, but it's not terrible either, to be honest. Not a lot of static in the background either, that's pretty good. And if you're typing, this is Cherry MX Reds. Not that bad, to be fair. The headset also comes with this little receiver box by standard, and this really makes the headset. This is not just a little receiver, it's also a DAC, and it's also a little charger for your batteries, and you can actually control the headset from here as well, where you've got like a little OLED display here. I'll show it on screen, and you've got your control, so you can click that in, and you can use this as a volume control as well. So it's really thought out. You've even got optical audio on the back as well. But if you do want to charge the batteries using this, you've got a DC power, which you need, and you've also got to use a USB as well to actually connect it to your PC so your PC can talk to it. So yeah, this is definitely making up the value in this, to be fair. Like, for £300 it's not cheap, but you are getting a lot for your money. The range on these is amazing on the 2.4 gigahertz. Oh, I think it's 2.4 gigahertz. The one that isn't the Bluetooth. But yeah, the range is amazing. I've got like an average UK size house, and I can pick it up in the far corner of my house easily. Even downstairs in the kitchen, I can still talk to people, hear everything just fine. So there's no problems with latency or anything like that to report of the further you get. Not like that should be an issue. And there's a couple of walls in between as well. So it's not bad. Like the wireless range on this is amazing, and I do actually use the wireless mic sometimes. Say if I'm going downstairs, I'm making a cheese toastie or something like that, and I still want to speak to friends and stuff like that. So yeah, perfect with the wireless range. Okay, so I was editing the video and I realised I actually did miss a few details. So the drivers in this headset are 40mm drivers, not the best on the market, but they're still pretty good. They also feel incredibly comfortable on the head. Like the actual ear cups, yeah, ear cups is the right term, super soft on the ears, no issues at all. They don't irritate or anything like that. It's almost like HyperX's. HyperX's have always been the best for me in that regard. So this comes to the verdict. Why is this headset my favourite headset? It's because it's a no compromise headset at all. And at this price, there shouldn't be a compromise at all. The price is the only thing I don't like about them. Everything else is really, really good. Audio quality may be a bit lacking, but for the price you pay for actual studio headphones, you probably need a DAC and an amp to power them, and you don't get the rich feature set that these have as well. So essentially this is pretty much the no compromise headset, and that's why I'd recommend them if they're on a sale as well, because they are really expensive. I got these on a sale, so I got these for £280, which all things considered isn't too bad. So the price tag of 300 Great British pounds, and I believe them $350. Not too sure on that, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. £300 for the ultimate gaming headset, no compromises. Not bad, to be fair, not bad. Anyways, if you like the video, like it. If you liked it even more, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.